Hey, my Minkies, it's a couple of days after Christmas. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas break or your Christmas, the days you are off for Christmas or whatever you did for Christmas, guys. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it and you got everything you wanted and you celebrated the birth of Christ as well, guys. I had a wonderful time for Christmas. I got everything I wanted. I also got a chance to celebrate the birth of Christ, guys, and serve the Lord on the day of Christmas, because of course I believe that Jesus is the reason for the season, guys. So serving others before, celebrating Christmas, actually, giving to those that are in need, guys, that is a great way to serve others and to celebrate the birth of Christ and his birthday. So let me know in the comments, what did you guys do for Christmas? I wanted to come on and do this update, guys, to let you all know that I didn't forget you. I've been super busy. I have so much going on. Like, a lot of people invited me places, guys, and so it was like I was here. I really didn't have time to edit. I did make videos, don't get me wrong. I did make videos, but I didn't get a chance to edit the video, so that's why you didn't see any videos from me. I was always doing something, guys. And let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't see me here on YouTube, please follow me on Instagram, Mink Reacts on Instagram, and Mink Reacts on TikTok as well, guys. I'm always on there, and if I'm not on there, y'all know definitely I'm busy, but if I'm not on here on YouTube, I'm either on TikTok or I am on Instagram, and you'll see some stories from me on Instagram as well, guys, because I don't want you to miss out on anything, that I do, because sometimes I just don't have the time to post my long videos here on YouTube. Now sometimes I get a chance to post shorts, but guys, I actually have shorts. I have a long videos that I need to post. I just didn't have the chance to post it. But anyway, I miss you all, and I'm gonna be starting to get back to supporting you all and watching y'all videos and catching up on comments and stuff like that. But I wanted to come on here real quick as well to thank my sis, Candypoo. She is always blessing everyone, guys. Everyone with a gift. And I wanted to open this gift on camera to show, it's close to Christmas, guys. It was a great Christmas gift, a great blessing, guys. So I wanted to show you all what I got from her. I just received the package on yesterday, so we will see, guys, what it is Miss Candypoo got us. And if you do not follow Candypoo, baby, I'm always putting her name right here, Candypoo1100, or because she got two channels, or Candypoo Vlog Life, guys. Don't forget to go and subscribe to her and tell her Mink sent you if you not already subscribed, because who is not subscribed to her channel? I know I am, baby. Yes. So I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas, and what is your New Year's goals? I'm not even gonna say New Year's resolution. What is your New Year's goals, guys? But let's open this gift. Okay, so I don't want to show personal information or anything, so we're going to open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so thank you, sis. Thank you, Candypoo. Girl, what is this? Oh gosh. Okay, so let me put this aside. Guys, she sent me a bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, in the card. Hold on. I gotta get the card first, guys. GorgeousOneMink. Okay, so guys, look at this beautiful card. Christmas blessings. I love this card. Okay, so I have already read this card, so I had to first read it first because I didn't know if it was like personal information in there or not. But this is amazing. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father. James 1:17. Yes. Enjoy the wonder of the season with plenty of time to be refreshed in God's most precious gifts, the lasting love and peace Christ came to give. Happy holidays, sis. Thank you for always being so supportive of both my channels. That means a lot. I pray you and your family have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Candypoo. I love this card. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much. And I hope you and your family, I pray you and your family have a very Merry Christmas as well. And I also pray that you all have a blessed 2024 New Year. Guys, look at this. She is so thoughtful and caring. Look at, okay, we're gonna show this first because it is past Christmas. So she put don't open till Christmas. It's after Christmas, definitely. So this is an eyeshadow palette, guys. I wonder if I can open this right now. Let's see. Yes, I love it. Oh, and sis must know me because they have a lot. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all, with the noise in the background. The neutral colors. I'm so neutral these days. I used to be all about the bright colors. I do that every so often, but more so the neutral colors. And I see all these neutral colors in here. I love it. Which one is your favorite color? I know I'm going to be using a delicate one a lot. The Fortune Teller, Wrecking Ball, Indulge. I already see a lot. Honest. I see a lot I'm going to use. I love this palette. Thank you so much, sis. Fly free, guys. And this is please don't come for me for pronouncing this wrong. Giordano. I think it's Giordano colors. I think that's how it's pronounced, guys. I don't know. But this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Thank you, sis. So before we open the bag, we're gonna open this one first. So give me a second, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, look. This is what my sis got me. Oh okay, gosh. So not only did she get me this kit, right, guys? She got it. This looks like one of my favorite colors, which is rose gold. Do y'all see that? Oh yes, I know that. I can use this. I can use every single thing out of this. Guys, do you see that? Oh my gosh. This is an awesome gift. I can't wait to get this one as well. I can use that for my nails. The clippers for my fingernails because I always do my nails. Guys, I love this. Thank you so much, sis. This is a blessing. Thank you so much. So we're gonna move on to the next one, guys. I love this. And then it's like in a little case. You know, if I decide to take the stuff out, I can always use it for something else as well, guys. I love it. Okay, so this is shocking. Guys, y'all see this case right here? And plus I got eyeglasses, so I will be using this little case right here. But these brushes came in this case. I never asked for this. And I got it, guys. And I needed some more makeup brushes. I never got any makeup brushes, guys. I'd be so busy. I can't even. Okay, so I had to fix it so it could look more neater than the way I was holding it. It was slipping out of my hands. But oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Sis, thank you so much. And it got all the right ones, definitely, because I love to do my eyebrows. So I like those little small ones. I like to do my eyeshadow and using the big brushes. I'm definitely thinking about using one of these brushes for my concealer. No, actually it's this one right here. Oh, I am in love with this set. I'm loving this set. And guys, the ones that always send to me definitely will be getting a gift from me. It's gonna be late. I'm always late, y'all know that. But definitely will be getting this a gift from me, guys. This is beautiful. And I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. I can't even believe, I was like, how did she know that that's one of the things that I really needed? I just ain't never had the time to go get it. I never had the time. But thank you, sis. Thank you, Candy Poo. I also received these rings as well. These are some very, very pretty rings, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's not focusing right. Hold on, let me switch because I'm in cinematic mode, guys. Hold on. Okay, so I have a better way for you to see it. Look how beautiful these rings are. I'm definitely going to be rocking these with my gold jewelry, guys. I love these. These are so cute. I love the one with the heart. It's such adorable. I really love it. Thank you so much, sis. I know exactly what I'm gonna wear this with, and I have some jewelry that goes very well with this. I love it. Is that pearl? Oh yes. I can't wait to rock that. Thank you so much, sis. Okay, so we're gonna get to this bag, baby. Okay, so this is the bag. Y'all excuse my bad looking nails. I gotta do my nails. Never had time to do it. But look at this beautiful bag, guys. So we're gonna take it out of this plastic and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how beautiful this bag looks. Wow. Okay, look at the inside. So spacious. She knows me as well because, baby, I could fit my whole house in these bags. Oh my goodness. And the strap, it's a short strap, guys, and I love short straps. I don't like, you see how short the strap is? I love that. That is a big plus to me. Okay, so guys, look at this. It comes with, hold on, it comes with this wallet too. This is a cute bag. This is a Louis Vuitton bag, guys. This is cute, and the drawstring. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. Okay, so it does not come with feet. I was looking to see if it comes with feet, but that's okay because, baby, let me tell you, the gold hardware and everything. Oh, so it does. Hold up, guys. It comes with a longer strap. Well, actually, look, it's not too long, which I like this one too. I like this strap too. I don't like you know those long straps, guys? Like, I don't like those, but this one is perfect. Perfect. Oh my goodness. I love this. Okay, sis, you outdid yourself with it. I love everything, sis. I love this bag. I love the eyeshadow palette, the jewelry, the makeup brushes. I love everything. Thank you so much for thinking of me. You didn't have to do that, and you did. And I appreciate you so much, sis. You are one of my sisters on the YT that been on here for the longest. We are sisters for life. And I'm definitely going to be sending you something. I don't know when it's gonna arrive, but I will let you know when it's on its way. But I am so grateful for everything that I have received, and I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. And this actually is like the cherry on top when it comes to my Christmas, guys. Like, this year just blew me away, guys. I don't know. I just love this Christmas. I really do love this Christmas. But thank you so much. Don't forget to go and follow Candypoo Vlog Life and Candypoo1100, guys, and show her some support and love. She has great videos, vlogs. She has great reviews. She does cooking on her channel. She does decorating. So much stuff, guys, that she does, and I love her channel. So thank you all for watching, and I'm not sure if I have anything after this clip, guys. I appreciate you all for supporting my channel. I appreciate you all for watching, and commenting and always sharing me out. I can't say this enough. Again, there goes the noise. I can't say this enough how much you guys support me. I love you all so much, and you know who you are. And to all, I got to say this, to all my subscribers that are loyal to me, guys. If you don't see me doing giveaways or anything like that, that is not because I forgot about y'all. I'm in the process of getting my PO box, which is taking way too long because of my address, guys. So I am working on that, and I had one, but I had to delete it when I first started my channel, guys. I moved from there, so I had to move to a different one in a different city, and their process is totally different, guys. So whenever I have that together, I definitely will be doing giveaways on my channel. Now I am thinking about doing something else. My sis Candypoo was doing something on her channel, and I was like, I'm really thinking about doing that instead of just I don't know. I was thinking, do y'all know if you can actually use, you know how Amazon have like these different spots where you can just pick up the package? I don't believe you have to use like your address or something like that. I'm wondering if they have stuff like that for, like mails. So to where you don't have to use your personal address. So I have certain amount of people on here. Sorry guys. I have certain amount of people on here that has my personal address, and I trust these ladies. Don't get me wrong, I trust these ladies, but I won't be giving it to nobody else because these ladies have been rocking with me for years, baby years, and I trust them with this address. But as far as like if I want to send some other people's stuff out, I don't want to use my personal address, guys. So I'm trying to figure out something that I can do with that to where, I liked the idea that my sis Candy Pooh, she would just go, anyone who's following her on Instagram, she'll, her loyal ones, she'll send stuff out to, guys. I'm just a little bit too comfy here, so excuse me. She'll just send stuff out just randomly, guys, and I love that. I really want to do that, so I'm working on something. I have not forgotten about y'all because y'all have been like extraordinary to me. Like, I think I said that word right. Y'all have been a blessing to me. Y'all have been a blessing. So I wanted to share that support back with you by giving back. And I know y'all like, Mink, girl, you ain't gave nothing. And the last giveaway that I had was a t-shirt, which I wanted to give the t-shirt, but nobody really I don't think people like t-shirts like that, especially with my name on it. And I thought about it, I was like, nobody probably want that because that's my name. But I just was like, I had more than one t-shirt, so I was like, oh, let me just see if I can give it out like that. But then I thought about it, guys. I was like, oh my gosh, I did this giveaway. I was so excited and I forgot about my personal address. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do another giveaway until I fix that issue, guys. I'll figure that giveaway out if I do have one. Thank you all for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share for the world to see, guys. Thank you all so much and have a blessed day and a happy New Year's, guys. Don't forget to put your New Year's goals down below. I want to know. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye, my minkies. Bye-bye, guys.